Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Porsche Cayenne rear bumper. First, open your tailgate to reveal the upper mounting screws. Next, carefully remove the taillight assemblies, usually by unscrewing a few bolts and gently pulling them out. Remember to disconnect any electrical connectors attached to the taillights before setting them aside safely. Now, move to the wheel arches. You'll need to remove several screws that secure the fender liners to the bumper. Once these are out, you can gently pull the bumper away from the wheel arch area. Don't forget to check underneath the vehicle for any additional fasteners or clips that might be holding the bumper in place. With the wheel arch and undercarriage fasteners addressed, it's time to tackle the main bumper bolts. Carefully identify and remove all visible bolts, often located along the top edge or inside the bumper opening. Also, be sure to check for any hidden clips or screws that might be concealed behind trim pieces, ensuring all primary attachment points are completely free. With all fasteners removed, you can now carefully pull the bumper straight away from the vehicle. Be mindful of any remaining electrical connections for parking sensors or other components, and disconnect them as you go. Once completely free, place the bumper on a soft, protected surface to prevent any damage during storage or further work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.